Hi, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to do an LR44 battery mod on the Orochi from Razer. This is going to allow you to get the least amount of weight in this mouse with limited amount of mods. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. The only part I'm not going to show you is how to dismantle the Orochi. If you've not already seen my teardown video, check it out, and this will show you how to take it apart fully, but I will show you how to reassemble it in this video, as well as solder the battery and the parts. If you need any of these parts, I do sell them on my shop, Bearded Bob, where you can buy them on AliExpress. The links will be in the description. So if you're not familiar with my channel already, make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button so I know you like this content and I'll keep it coming. And if you want to get your competitive edge over your gaming rivals, this is certainly the one to be checking out this channel because it gives the latency tests as well as other tests. Make sure you're ahead of the game. So as you can see, the Orochi has been torn down already. What you're going to need to buy is an LR44 battery holder, which you can see here. You're going to also need to buy an LR44 battery. There are some other batteries like the PR44 that will go in here and give you a bit more power. This LR44 is one I'm using today. Obviously going to get reduced battery life, but given the specs on the Orochi, this should be good. As you can see, the LR44 battery and holder is 2.5 grams. This is significantly reduced from the 22 grams of the stock AA battery that's included in the box. You could also use a AAA battery, AAA USB battery. I'll share all these weights here as well. And you can see the amount of weight that you'll reduce. Stock mouse is around 74 grams with the AA battery included. So for this mod, you're going to need a soldering iron. I'm also going to be reusing the battery connector from the Orochi. If you're not capable of doing this yourself or you don't want to do it, you can check out my shop. I can do this service for you and then ship it back to you modded, no problem. We're going to need to desolder these plates off this battery connector. You don't need to extend these cables, which is good. We just need them to with the JS2 connection on the end. Now again, you could buy another JS2 connection if you didn't want to do this. The measurements of that are in my teardown video. Once we've taken those plates off the battery connector, we're going to need to solder onto the LR44 battery holder. Just going to tip these with a bit of solder to make it easier to connect. And the negative goes in the middle and the positive goes on the outer edge. Each connector is slightly different though, so it depends where you buy these from. But this is the one I'm using there, and this is how it wires up. This is what it looks like. Now, these batteries are interchangeable. They're not rechargeable, so you have to change them out as and when you need them. They're dirt cheap on things like Amazon, eBay. You get them for like £7 for 20. And the battery life is going to depend on how much you use it. But given this has got a spec of 950 hours, you should at least expect to get a week out of it. Depends on your use, to be fair. Let's just give it a quick test, make sure it's all working. We get some LEDs in the PCB. Battery connector goes into the side switches. Then you'll need to connect the main PCB using the JS2 connection. And then you'll see you get a green LED light showing it's active, which means it's going to work. Then we're going to take that back apart, and now we're going to test fit the LR44 battery position. I found it works in the AA battery slot on the Orochi. It fits nicely here, and there's a little gap where the plates were that you can pull through the JS2 connection, so you don't need to modify the shell in any way. Then I'm going to use a little bit of heat glue just to tack it in here. This stuff's pretty good. If you put it in the wrong place, you can just peel it back out. It doesn't damage the case like super glue. Not going to put too much. It's all about weight. You want to make sure you can easily get the LR44 battery out as well, which you can do here. You just pull the pin at the top, blow it up, and then the battery will just drop out. And then now we're just going to piece it all back together, and then we're going to wait to see how much it comes in at. Another good point about the Orochi is not going to damage your skates doing this. The skates can stay on when you take the mouse apart. Again, that teardown video will show you how to do that. I've also got to release a weight reduction video. You'll be able to see if you want to get more weight out of it, what you can get it down to. But you have to cut some of the shell potentially, or take some of the components out. It depends what configuration you want to do. And that's it. The final weight comes in at 57 grams here, which is a nice little reduction here from the 74 stock. We're using the AA battery. It's a good little trick. Certainly bringing it down to that ultralight weight here really easily with a very simple mod here. So thanks for watching this stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Catch you later. Bye-bye. If you're interested in checking out my MZ1 review or weight reduction or teardown for the Rocket Jump Ninja mouse, go check those out. Links are in the description, as well as a Ultralight 2 unmodded using an LR44 battery for Noted. Worth checking out as well. So I'll see you soon. Catch you later. Bye-bye.